Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the T3 RSI indicator for MT4. This tool takes the classic relative strength index and applies a T3 smoothing filter to it, aiming to provide a cleaner, more responsive momentum oscillator with fewer false wiggles. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we go. As you can see, the T3 RSI indicator appears in a separate sub-window as a smoothed RSI line moving between 0 and 100, with overbought and oversold levels marked on the scale. As with standard RSI, readings pushing into the upper region suggest overbought or strong bullish momentum, while readings sinking into the lower region suggest oversold or strong bearish momentum. The T3 smoothing is intended to reduce noise and small reversals, so swings in the T3 RSI line are easier to interpret as meaningful changes in momentum rather than random fluctuations. Causes of key levels and changes in slope can visually highlight when momentum is shifting, pulling, or accelerating without offering strict trade rules. As for the indicator settings, core settings include the RSI period, which defines how many bars are used for the underlying RSI calculation, and the T3 smoothing parameters that control how heavily the RSI is smoothed. You can define overbought and oversold levels, often 70 and 30 or 80 and 20, depending on how aggressively you want to filter potential extremes. Visual options let you set line color, thickness, and level line styles so your T3 RSI stands out clearly in the sub-window. As for who is for, the T3 RSI indicator is suited to traders who already use RSI but would like a smoother, potentially more reliable version for spotting momentum shifts, pullbacks, and divergence. It is still a lagging oscillator based on historical prices and can stay overbought or oversold for extended periods in strong trends or flip frequently in ranging markets. As with other momentum indicators, it should be combined with price structure, trend context, and risk management instead of being treated as a standalone signal generator. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the T3 RSI indicator MT4, including its configuration examples, pros and cons, and usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.